Alright guys, so we're doing the final touch-ups on the apartments we started. So, still gotta do the ceiling. But everything's painted pretty much in this apartment. Show you around. Alright. Michael's in here doing this. Everything's, everything's wet, so I'm not trying to touch the wall. Alright. Always done. Alright. They're working on the hallway, the stairwell. And this apartment is getting finished. Alright. See, the ceilings are painted. Starting to come together. What are you doing, the ceilings? We're on to get another spot down. Yeah, get this new drywall. Oh, it's okay if you do. We can just get the regular paint and go over it. That'd be easier anyway. You guys figuring it out? Yep, that's how you have to do it. Alright, and to the last apartment. We're close to being done, guys. 3 weeks. 10 people. Alright, this apartment. Pretty much done, except for the ceilings, of course. I think the bathroom still need done, and then the rest of that wall. And of course, we're going to clean up and look at it. That room's a mess, but I mean, it's painted for the most part. Needs a couple more mud spots. Yeah. Alright, bathroom. There's Tiffany. Alright. She's doing the inside of the closet. This apartment is literally almost done. Kitchen's been done. So, I mean, the flooring needs done, but we are not doing the flooring. We're not sure who is. So once the flooring gets in, it'll look a lot better. Otherwise, it's coming together, guys. One more apartment upstairs.
So we can try again. Like slave, like you. The crowd is hungry to taste your body. We all know this world is full of mistakes.
Alright, this apartment definitely needs some touch-ups, but we'll get to it. We got this afternoon. It's almost lunchtime, so this room still needs some touch-ups. Like I said, the flooring's not getting done from us, so we're not sure who's going to be doing that. The main apartment that's done is on the second floor, so. Alright guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And share our videos as well. Make comments. Let us know what you guys think. Alright guys, we'll see you in the next video. Bye.
together to another dimension. We can improve our lives. Never been no mistake in love life. Do we all have to grind before we reach the given ascension? Learning from the ups and downs is all it needs to way to grow. Yeah, see you and I going together to another dimension. We can improve our lives. Never been no mistake in love life. Do we all have to cry before we reach the given ascension? Learning from the ups and downs is not an easy way to grow. We're no longer denying. Give me your love, we just learn it by trying. Give me your love, give me your love, give me your love. Maybe I seem a little crazy for trying to keep an open mind, but I know the risk of losing myself by trying to fail it so many times. They all left a piece of light, but it's yours, I want to fly high. Because anyone with me has all the right to dream away. We'll be done